Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Litecoin from Coinbase Wallet to Phantom Wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving faster than ever, this process has gotten even smoother, thanks to new security features and user-friendly updates. Whether you're a beginner looking to move your assets or a pro optimizing your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will get you through it quickly and safely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both the Coinbase Wallet and Phantom Wallet apps installed on your device. Update them to the latest 2025 versions for the best experience. Coinbase now has enhanced biometric logins, and Phantom supports faster blockchain integrations. Open your Coinbase Wallet and head to your Litecoin balance. You'll see a Send or Withdraw button. Tap that to start. Next, you'll need to enter the recipient's address. Switch over to your Phantom Wallet app, go to the Settings or Wallet Details section, and copy your Litecoin address. It's super important to double-check this to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Back in Coinbase, paste the address into the field, select Litecoin as the asset, and enter the amount you want to withdraw. Don't forget to review the network fees. In 2025, these are often dynamic based on blockchain congestion, so aim for off-peak times to save some cash. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security method, like a fingerprint or PIN. Coinbase will show a quick summary, including estimated arrival time. Thanks to 2025's improved networks, this could take just a few minutes. Now, switch back to Phantom Wallet and keep an eye on your incoming transactions tab. You should see your Litecoin pop up shortly. If you run into any issues, like a pending transaction, check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction ID. Always prioritize security by using hardware wallets for larger amounts. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw Litecoin from Coinbase to Phantom in 2025. This simple process keeps your assets moving securely. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.